So here's how to turn off antivirus on Windows 11. It's quite simple and let's get started. First of all, you need to go to the search bar and search for Windows Security. Here is the Windows Security. You need to tap on that option. And this will bring up the Windows Security settings. So from here, you need to select first Virus and Threat Protection. And then under the virus and threat protection settings, you will see manage settings. So you need to tap on that. And then from here, you need to turn off the real-time protection, which is considered as turning off the antivirus. Alright, so let's just simply tap on this and there you have it. So you can simply turn off your Windows security or antivirus like this, and also you can turn these options off. It will be considered, but the main thing is you need to turn off the real-time protection. So if you just want to turn back on the antivirus, you can simply go back from here, and then from here you'll see the turn on option. Tap on the turn on to enable the antivirus again. So there you have it. So that's how you can simply turn off antivirus on Windows 11. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and have a very good day.